Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I am going to be working on a miniature bakery. I've always had miniature bakeries and every now and then I change them up, but it's time for a makeover for the one that I have now. Now the one that I have now, I have dismantled. So the space here is empty. I did share a video with you on the empty space. This was the flooring that I was using. Okay, but this is history now. I will leave it there, but I will cover it with another flooring. And I am interested in using these colors, these patterns that you see here. Now this is decorative paper. I have bought decorative paper through Michael's and Hobby Lobby and the thrift store, and I have shared those with you. But out of all that decorative paper that I have, I chose these. Now look at how interesting this one is for a bakery. This is chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. What could be better than this paper to decorate my bakery? So this is definitely going to be one of the options. Now I think I'm going to use this as flooring. So that's going to be my floor. So it's a light color, you know what I'm saying? So the pastries and the items that I put on there won't get lost in a dark color like this one. And this one is kind of like a contrast. There's a little bit of this color in here. So this will be for certain areas. So these are the three options that I have. And I'm going to use all of them, especially the chocolate chip. So stay tuned because this will be an amazing miniature bakery and you all will enjoy it. And it will even have a menu for pizza, because on the other side, which I can't show you yet, on the other side there's going to be a pizzeria. So just stay tuned, have some patience with me because it takes time, and thank you so much for watching.